Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Stumble Guys. Game, of course. So first of all, of course, if you don't have the Stumble Guys application or game on your phone, you will need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you actually open your game or download your game, of course, there is even an option to play Stumble Guys on your PC. If you are interested, you can just go and check one of our videos down in this channel on how to do that exactly. So of course, as I said, if you download it, just go and open the game. So maybe you will notice that the game for me opens directly. Don't panic or anything. That's just because I'm using it on PC and it was already opened for me. But of course, for you, if it's your first time, you will need just to go and open the game, and it will load a bit, then log in into your account correctly or directly. Don't need to do anything. Or even if it's your first time and don't have an account, it will create an account for you, and as I said, you will not need to do anything. So once you are here at this home or at this main page, and if you want to add friends, so adding friends in this game is unavailable, but I have a trick for you if you want to have a friends or friends on this Stumble Guys game. Simply, you will need to go to the settings at the top right corner and click on settings. Then, as you can see here, you have two options to connect or to log in into your account to let your account save. So maybe if you change the phone, you will be able or you will have access to your account again. So simply, just if you are going to log in with the Facebook or Google Play, just go and add friends there. Go and add your friend at Facebook or at Google Play, then log in into your account from here. Once you do that, you'll find your friends on Facebook that's playing the same game, or your friends at Google Play that's playing the same game. You'll find them as your friends in this game and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.